These are my little tiny blocky mini Minecraft. They are so perfect they could. Wait a second. This isn't where the story begins. The journey was far less magical than what you see now. Let me take you back to the very first cut. It all started with a feeling. The kind of feeling I had when I was a kid. When creating something didn't need a reason. Just curiosity and whatever scraps I could find. But somehow, that same feeling showed up again. I didn't grow up playing Minecraft. In fact, I've never played Minecraft, not even once. That's the funny part. I didn't have any connection to it. It didn't really make sense for me to be so excited about it. And don't get me wrong, I do love Minecraft. And I know you're probably wondering, how can you love something you've never experienced? Truth is, I don't have the perfect answer for that, though I can tell you how it happened for me. Somehow, that universe still pulled me in. Its shapes, its colors. I saw it everywhere. In pop culture, in art, in the way people build entire stories from scratch. There's something timeless about Minecraft. Simple on the surface, but full of possibilities. Like every block could become anything you want it to be. I think it was that creative freedom that made me want to make my own little version of it. Up until that point, everything was just in my head. And I didn't really know what to make. Things changed when I started hearing everyone talk about the movie. Some said it was amazing, others said it was trash. And whenever that happens, I usually want to try it myself, so I don't stay with other people's opinions and can make my own. Eventually, I went to see the Minecraft movie with a friend. To be honest, I knew I was going to be kinda lost in the story, because other than knowing people build things in the game and that Minecraft is really colorful, I didn't actually know anything else about it. My friend was kind enough to explain every detail and give me context. And thanks to that, I got to enjoy the movie. Regardless of what people said about the movie, that experience gave me the curiosity I needed to dig deeper, to understand the characters, the dynamics, and the world behind the game. While I was doing my research, I came across something called the end poem. If you played Minecraft, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. But if not, here's a short explanation. It's a text that appears at the end of the game, after you defeat the Ender Dragon. Instead of credits, the game shows you a long poem that speaks directly to the player. I didn't know what it was at first, but as I read it, I felt something. Even though it speaks to the player, it also feels like it's speaking to anyone who creates. There's a quiet beauty in the way it's written. It doesn't only celebrate winning, it celebrates the journey, imagination, and the power to make something out of nothing. That stayed with me. I can see why it means so much to everyone who's played Minecraft. Because it's not just a game. It's about building, dreaming, and creating something that's yours. That's when this project shifted. It became more than just crafting minis. It turned into my way of stepping into the Minecraft world. Not through gameplay, but through creativity. Minecraft has always fascinated me, and now I finally had the chance to make something. Not just because it looks cool, but because it felt special. Something I could shape piece by piece and watch slowly come to life. Through this project, I got to experiment, challenge myself, and create something new. Something different from what I've been doing till now. To be honest, it felt like playing, just without a screen, but with that same sense of building, of creating something that belongs to you. It took me longer than I thought it would, especially with this video. Yet I had fun in the process, and I think, at the end of the day, that's what matters the most. A small reminder that creating has its own kind of adventure. So finally, here they are. These are my little tiny blocky mini Minecraft. They are so perfect they could fit in your pocket. I loved making them and I hope you love them too. If you enjoyed this little journey, you can stick around and subscribe for more projects like this one. I love to hear what you think, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching and for hanging out in this little creative corner with me. See you on the next one.